All right, lab students, I wanted to share a little bit about what each of you is going to get in your package, your equipment kit at home. So you're going to be getting some plastic beakers. You're going to be given some graduated cylinders. So graduated cylinder looks like a cylinder that has various graduations on it. You'll use this to measure volumes. You're going to be given some pH meter, some pH test strips to measure the pH of various solutions. You're going to be given this little vial that contains some limestone samples, and those limestone samples are what we're going to analyze throughout this semester in various ways. So we're going to look at physical properties, we're going to look at some chemical properties, how it reacts, like these different things throughout this semester. You're going to be given this little light diffraction sheet. It's going to give us the ability to look at some properties of light and how light interacts with, in this case, matter, this little film that's on here. You're going to be given some safety glasses and then a bunch of these little test tubes that we're going to be able to put solutions in and make measurements, and then some transfer pipettes. And so those are going to be and then you're going to be given a little digital balance. I don't have those with me right now, but you'll get one of those. And that's going to give you the ability to do a lot of what we would have been able to do during the semester and make some measurements, look at chemical properties and reactions, physical properties of different pieces of matter. And so I wanted to hopefully give you an idea of what you're going to be given. You're either going to be sent a whole box with all of these together, or you're going to be shipped separately all of the plasticware, and then you'll get a little envelope that has the rest of the limestone and these different things. So you should be looking to get those sometime between week 2 and week 3 of the course, and so we are not going to plan on utilizing these until the end, either week 3 or week 4, depending on when we get those to you. So I just wanted to let you know what to expect, and hopefully you are excited and ready to get those.